Hi viewers, I am Madhu. Today in this video I am going to explain regarding how to count the number of ATPs from one single glucose molecule. So this is a very simple trick. For that we need to know just the structure of glucose. Structure of glucose is enough. The molecular formula is C6H12 and O6. So this is a molecular formula. So here we can see C6H12O6 means 6 carbons are present, 12 hydrogens are present, and 6 oxygen molecules are present in one single glucose molecule. Now let us count the number of protons in each and every atom present in the glucose molecule. Actually, for ATP generation, we need protons. These protons will give us energy by using electron transport chain, right? So here we can see the carbon atoms are 6 and hydrogen atoms are 12 and oxygen atoms are 6 atoms. So each carbon atom consisting of 6 protons. Each carbon atom consisting of how many protons? 6 protons. So 6 into how many carbons are there in glucose structure? 6 carbons. 6 into 6 is equal to 36 protons. So in whole glucose structure, in complete glucose structure, we have 6 carbons, each carbon consisting of 6 protons. That indicates atomic number of carbon. So 6 protons in each carbon. We have total 6 carbons here. So 6 into 6, 36 protons. And now come to the hydrogen. Each hydrogen atom consisting of 1 proton, and totally 12 hydrogens are there in glucose structure. So this 1 indicates the atomic number of hydrogen. So 1 into 12, that is equal to 12. That is equal to 12 protons. 12 protons again. And now move on to last atom, that is oxygen. So we have 6 oxygen. So each oxygen atom consisting of 8 protons. So 8 into how many oxygens? 6. So that is equal to how many? 48 protons, right? 48 protons. So now we have to calculate all these 36 protons, 12 protons, 48 protons, right? So now 36 plus 12 plus how many? 48 protons. So that is equal to how much? 96 protons. Totally 96 protons we got. Now this 96 value is the proton number in one single glucose. Proton number in one number of protons present in one single glucose molecule. So the proton value 96 is important to count the ATPs now in one single glucose molecule. Now 96 protons we have. A complete glucose molecule consisting of 96 protons. Of course, each and every atom consisting of electrons and neutrons, protons also, but for energy purpose we need only protons. I will tell you what is the role of neutrons and electrons. I will tell you later. Okay, first focus on this 96 protons. We got 96 protons, and we need approximately 2.5 to 3 protons for 1 ATP generation. 1 ATP generation we need approximately 2.5 to 3 protons are needed. According to new research studies, 2.5 to 3 protons are needed. So now here we can see I am going to take 2.8 value. The value 2.8. So now divide it 9.6 by 2.8, so that you can get 34 ATPs. 34 ATPs. Remember, in glycolysis we need 2 ATPs for phosphorylation reaction. So 2 ATPs are utilized by 2 steps of glycolysis. First step and second step needs 2 ATPs, right? Sorry, first step and third step of glycolysis needs 2 ATPs. So 34 minus 34 minus 2, that is equal to how much? 32 ATPs. So the net ATP quantity is 32. The net ATP number is 32. So we can get 32 ATPs totally from one single glucose molecule. But the way of learning about the ATP, I mean glucose kinetics or glycolysis kinetics or any other kinetics from metabolism, this is not a proper way to count ATPs, because we can get some MCQs regarding kinetics of glucose or glycolysis. We can get some MCQs in your exams. So those MCQs will be like, in which step of glycolysis ATP is produced, and in which step of glycolysis producing ATP, and which step of glycolysis consuming ATP. So this is how they ask. So you must be aware of all the steps of glycolysis TCA cycle and all the metabolic pathways where ATP is generating, where ATP is consuming. So this is what we learn. But this is a simple trick to count ATP. I hope this is fine. I mean, I hope this video is helpful for your studies. Thank you.